Hello and welcome back. Are you ready to draw some more naughty pictures? Okay, it won't be that naughty, but at least we're gonna draw someone without clothes on today. It will be a cyborg. Cyborgs don't wear clothes, right? We're gonna draw a skull and we're gonna put some electric shit on it. Are you ready? Let's draw. And as usual, I have my Photoshop ready here with an open canvas. And the first thing we're gonna do is to draw a skull. My skull will be put together by this fine looking ball. I thought it would be fun if this cyborg would be smoking a cigar. So right now we're just finishing this crude looking skull. I'm just gonna give myself some more space here. And we need an open mouth like this. And I will define some teeth later. First we need to figure out where everything goes. Here's our cigar. And we are defining our skull. And I was thinking, yeah, it looks kind of funny. Wait a second. I think we got up a bit too far over here. Yeah, that's better. And we have our jaw here. Remember, we're drawing a cyborg, so the anatomy of this skull doesn't have to be entirely correct. I think I'll do some funny looking mechanical eyes. Just adding some details to these funny looking eyes. Let's finish this jaw. Okay, so we have our skull. Let's make the back of the head a bit bigger. And that was too big. This is gonna be fun. Let's adjust this angle a bit of this. Yeah. Now, does he look angry or does he look surprised? I think he should look a bit tough. And now that we have something that resembles a skull, let's start adding some electronics. Now we have the side of the head here. He has a very busy and hard-working brain, so he's gonna need a ventilator. Ventilation. Let's add some funny details. Probably a screw. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Just want the eyes to look identical on each side. Okay. Let's make something of a neck here. You can imagine he has some sort of hydraulics to move his neck. Let's tilt the head a bit, just to make some more dynamics in the picture. Can make it a bit bigger. It looks more like a weird monkey. Maybe it is a monkey cyborg. That would be new, at least. I want to give him still some human-looking teeth. It's a bit more fun to look at. And maybe also a bit more relatable, in a way. The most scary cyborgs usually look a lot like humans. Sometimes it's hard to define exactly how you make a creepy character. But, I mean, like, if you make something that almost looks human, but is not supposed to be human, I feel like that gives the best result. Yeah, that's fun. He has some weird looking teeth. So let's give some more details down here. Yeah, you know what? This doesn't work. Just looks like he has more teeth on his chin. Let's make some patterns up here. Something's odd about this. I feel like Well, I want to add some more of these hydraulics, or whatever we would call them. More of them over here. Okay, let's add some detail. Oops. Detail on this cigar. Some smoke. And I think his pupils need to go down a bit, so it's more like we can get some sort of eye contact with him. Yeah, that might be better. A bit. Yeah. It's looking good. And I thought like he will have, again, some sort of mechanics in here that can move his eyeballs around, making him focus. And I think those are the details we want to put here. Again, just adding some details. Who knows what the hell he has underneath all that all that bone. Ooh, delightful cigar. I feel like having a smoke. To top it off, I wanted to give him I wanted to put a jacket on him. Okay, I already said that we would be doing a naked character today. I guess I lied. Here, he needs some buttons, right? Like some buttons to press or something. Yeah, I think that is our cigar smoking robot. Now that's a weird character. Don't think I've quite made anything like that before. You know what? I just need something else. He needs something to hold this jaw with. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh, and a couple of cables. Yep, there you have it. A cigar smoking robot. As always, please let me know if you like this drawing or if you hate it. I want to know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to do so. I guess I'll see you next time.